Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make clock announce time on Mac. For example, on your Apple Watch, you can realize that they have a feature that will allow your Apple Watch to announce the time every hour. You can also do that on your Mac. All you'll need to do is open System Settings. Once in System Settings, you're going to tap on Control Center from the left-hand menu option. After selecting Control Center, you are going to scroll down and from there you're going to see Clock. After selecting Clock, you're going to tap on Clock Options. From here, you can see there are quite a few editing options that you have. But for this tutorial, you're going to tap on Announce the Time. After you have done that, you can select the interval on which you'd like your time to be announced. For example, you can select on the hour, on the half hour, or on the quarter hour. You can also customize the voice by tapping on Customize Voice. You can choose the voice that you would like to use, and you can also change the custom rate and so on, and also the volume. Once you're finished, you'll tap on OK. Then you're going to tap on Done to save the changes, and that's it. So from now on, the voice will be announced at the interval that you have selected. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.